Hello, students of semester 6 DSE third one, an introduction to linguistics, in which today I am going to describe about the pattern and function of sentences. First of all, I would like to define the sentence. A combination of words that makes a complete sense is called sentence. A sentence has 5 kinds. First is assertive or declarative. Such sentence in which expresses any statement or certain promise is assertive sentence. As for example, Mohan is a good boy. Meena does not read his book. She goes to church every Sunday. Assertive sentence has 2 kinds, affirmative and negative. Affirmative sentence in which such sentences can be showed. I read a book. He goes to school. The sky is blue. In negative sentence, he does not go to school. I do not read a book. The next is interrogative sentence. Such sentence in which some question is asked is called an interrogative sentence. As for example, what is your name? Where do you live? What will you do? The interrogative sentence is formed by inversion of subject and finite verb. As for example, they are ready. Its inversion will be are they ready? He can swim. Can he swim? The auxiliary do is used if the finite is non-anomalous. As for example, they went away. They did go away. Did they go away? He likes it. He does like it. Does he like it? Its next form is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, such sentence in which order, request, prohibition and preaching is displayed is called imperative sentence. As for example, do not waste your time. Please help me. Be kind to the poor. Go home. The next sentence is optative sentence. Such sentence in which desire or blessing is displayed is called optative sentence. As for example, God bless you. May you live long. Long live our freedom. And the next type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Such sentence in which happiness, sorrow, surprise, hate are displayed is called exclamatory sentences. What a fine morning. What a noise. I wish you were rich. What a pity. well done. These are the examples of exclamatory sentences. And the last is emphatic sentence. Such sentence in which emphasis is laid on the statement is called emphatic sentence. As for example, I do play cricket, she does sing well, he did help me, do come here tomorrow. And it is in this way, this is the end of this topic, and the next will be done on tomorrow.